Hoek an tachastas an Sgathan dúine is slí a gúsgan na ciad fehan chun na sealaíon, fálaíon, fuaimnan agus áraneach is na chud mairad fé seo eolalas am na nuíiste agus canai. Gachrúta bheith cútramach gan na dúine is na hilanin sin.
Thug mi seach jiffer Seorse áran, puiste bial, no cua, no luach, agus an uair bheith menig well ha mis sinna bhí déanamh rúta gan san ún stéile. So hána mí anna cheo, agus bheith me se a céit ar na sealaíon agus cimara dé seo se fadacin bheith me se féin.
I chiad áran, na machrachin móra.
Sanna heo a hána háir na seán áran, agus sanna heo na háir an úde. Hanna fadacin na tín van talú hín, ha chularút ceilte í chéile. Níon bheith le cotta geala léman sa bhán, níon bheith le cotta geala luna.
Seona na cháil, BBC an lá, uise jés.
I am a Scottish Gaelic singer, well respected but only recently come to songwriting. In 2009, after being made redundant, I decided to vent my hurt through songwriting, which I'd never tried before. I was amazed to win a prize in the Burnsong International Songwriting Competition, and that proved to be a pivotal point in my musical career. 5 of the songwriting winners of that competition banded together and we formed a band called Kilmarnock Edition. We even represented Scotland at Folk Alliance in 2013 in Toronto and made a genre-breaking new album, Pay It Forward. After that, I decided to carry on my own and developed a career in writing new Gaelic song using the old as inspiration. In 2014, I was the only student in Scotland to gain an official qualification in songwriting, postgraduate Master of Arts in Songwriting and Performance. My master's project was a promenade performance of 7 of the old songs, mirrored by 7 new songs, which you can see in the video. Since then, I've moved to live on the island, work in the archives, using that old material as inspiration for new songs. If I was ordered a Lindsay de Paul bursary, I would use the money to physically record all my new songs from my song cycle, mentioned here. Sung live, they have engaged with audience and I'm asked for recordings all the time. As an artist, I need to record them with the stories of their inspiration. This will be a huge step forward in my artistic development and one which I hope will mean more festival work here and especially in North America. In 2 years' time, I hope to be more widely recognised as a songwriter and able to promote an ancient language by producing contemporary signs. A few seconds of a promo video about my show with the National Theatre of Scotland to finish.